Hello, this is July Success Academy Global Insight. Recently, as we gradually recover from the COVID-19 pandemic, global Atomy members are becoming more active. At this point, Atomy is actively working to target the overseas market during this time when the door to the overseas market is reopening. In the first half of 2022, we will take a look at the appearance of global Atomy, which has begun to re-energize with you all today. So, the first news. Offline events are being held one after another at Atomy's overseas subsidiaries located around the world. Many global Atomy members who participated in the Atomy event are expressing their expectations for the post-COVID era. Among them, I personally went to the Malaysia site, where the first offline Success Academy was held since COVID-19. Here, full of anticipation and excitement for a new beginning, I am here at Atomy Malaysia Success Academy. A lot of people participated in the offline seminar that was held after a long time since the COVID pandemic, with a lot of anticipation.
看到你们很高兴啊，现在的心情怎么样？
I'm so excited. They haven't held the Success Academy for 2 years. This is the first time since the COVID pandemic.
那他是谁？
This is my partner, Jennifer. This is my first time. I was going to come last time, but I couldn't come because of the pandemic. The thought of participating in the Success Academy today, I was so excited that I couldn't sleep all night.
Atomy, 加油！
The Malaysian venue where the Success Academy is held was overcrowded with attendees from the early morning. The event continued for a long time, until late in the evening, but the programs filled with useful and rich content moved and delighted the Malaysian members.
And if you ask me how I feel, not only excited, I feel very energetic. The reason is because you can able to feel the energy of more than 2,000 members who are excited to change their lifestyle.
This is my first time attending Success Academy. Because before, I only attended Zoom online meetings. Today, I feel so different and very special. I'm grateful to Atomy for being able to listen to live lectures.
For the future, we are planning to have an even bigger venue where we can fit even more members, and I hope that you can all support us and together we can proceed for the brighter future.
Through the members' focused expressions throughout the event, I was able to vividly feel how eagerly the Malaysian local Atomy members waited for this offline event.
Aja! Aja! Aja!
In the post-COVID era in full swing, another leap forward for global Atomy starts now. We've delivered global insights at the Atomy Malaysia Success Academy. Thank you. In addition to Malaysia, which you just saw, offline events are being held again in other parts of the world. On June 3rd and 17th, Atomy Canada Offline Seminar was held in Vancouver, Canada. Atomy Canada held Toronto Offline Seminar in May as well. At both events, many local members attended and made the event even more special. And on June 18th and 25th, Offline Success Academy was held in Thailand and Cambodia respectively. 650 Thai and 1,200 Cambodian members attended the site, demonstrating Atomy's unchanging strength in the Southeast Asia market. Atomy plans to gradually expand the seminar holding areas in the future. We ask for your interest and participation as global Atomy members. The following news is the opening of Atomy Brazil subsidiary. On June 8th, Atomy Brazil office opened a shopping mall and started targeting the largest direct sales market in Latin America. The direct sales market in Brazil, where Atomy's 23rd overseas subsidiary is located, is the 7th largest market after the US, Korea, Germany, China, Japan, and Malaysia. In particular, it is a country that shows infinite growth potential in the fields of beauty, personal care, and health product. Currently, Atomy Brazil is selling beauty products such as Absolute Skincare and The Fame, and personal care products such as toothpaste, toothbrush, and shampoo. As of 1 month after opening, it has 240,000 accumulated members and achieved sales of about $920,000. As it is a core country that accounts for half of the Latin American market, the growth of Atomy Brazil is expected to have a large ripple effect on neighboring countries. Time, we've prepared a little special moment. In addition to Brazil's subsidiary that we reported earlier, Atomy plans to establish 3 more overseas subsidiaries this year. It is said that there are countries where an active market has already been formed, even before the establishment. It's Mongolia. So today, I will talk with Sharon Ro's master Sun Min Kim, who is running a local business in Mongolia. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello. I heard these days that you've been working hard in Mongolian business these days, is that right?
Yes, that's right.
So how did you first get to know a Mongolian business person?
By chance, I was introduced to a Mongolian in Korea through the introduction of my team leader's family and then another Mongolian in Mongolia.
Now that you are running your own business, you are probably familiar with the local atmosphere in Mongolia. How about it?
We're very excited right now. Ahead of the opening of the corporation, consumers and business owners are expressing very high expectations for the establishment.
Oh, I see. So what are some popular local products?
First of all, because the preference for Korean brands is very high, the products themselves are very popular. But when the weather gets cold, it is very cold. That's why evening care, cosmetics, and reset balm products that are good for moisturizing are very popular. After that, health functional products including Hemohim are consistently popular. Among them, omega-3, which is good for improving blood circulation, is also very popular because Mongolians eat meat-based meals.
I see. Did you have any particularly difficult moments?
The language Mongolian is difficult. That's why I am actually only able to say greetings, like Sambetano. Though I have a language barrier, Mongolians in Korea interpret it for me, so I was able to communicate in Korean from time to time. I think I'd overcome the barrier like that.
Oh, I see. Then what are the advantages of running a business in Mongolia?
Yes, I think there are. First of all, in Mongolia, daily necessities were imported from other countries and used. But after meeting Atomy products, the price is really competitive. There are many people who are satisfied with the product, so I think it can be seen as a great advantage compared to other countries. And one more thing, there are a lot of young people working abroad. Therefore, Mongolia's population is 3.3 million, which isn't a large number. But as young people are connected globally, it seems that it is another advantage to be able to conduct a global business that connects to other countries.
Oh, I see. Then do you think Atomy products can become a national product in Mongolia?
I'm sure.
Then one last thing. Would you like to say something to those who want to do business overseas, but can't start because they are afraid?
In fact, I didn't even know anyone overseas. But I started this business by chance. Do not forget that there are always consumers and businesses in the global market, and if you tell them about Atomy's product power and marketing plan, it would be good to proceed with the business with the conviction that there will be consumers who use Atomy products everywhere.
Yes, thank you. In the future, we will support you to realize a bigger dream with more partners. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you.
Next is the news about Hemohim. Hemohim has been finally and officially launched in India. This is the news that many members have been waiting for a long time. What's the local reaction would be like? We will connect with Abraham Lee, President of Atomy India, and hear it directly. President, hello. Hello. Namaste. This is Abraham Lee from India. I heard that Hemohim has finally been launched in India. Hemohim finally launched in India on May 25th. Hemohim, which many members have been waiting for, is now available at our Indian shopping mall. Okay, so what is the local reaction after the launch of Hemohim? Yes, the reaction is very good. To members who have been waiting for a long time, I think it will be of great help. Then I heard that on the other hand, that there are some issues. The problem is that they are explaining Hemohim like a hype product. In order to solve such problems, since last month, I have been training online about 3 times a week. We are working hard to convey accurate information through center visits or success seminars. So in the future, these things will get better. Most of the leaders are familiar with Hemohim. That they know how to explain it, so we don't have to worry about it in the future. Oh, I see. I hope you will put in a little more effort for Atomy, thinking of Young Sung Sang Rak. Honesty and goodness is the best strategy. Lastly, there are many members who have been waiting for the launch of Hemohim in India. Please say something to them. I really hope that our leaders will be more successful in India through Hemohim. Yes, thank you for the kind words. President, thank you for being with us today. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks to the official launch of Hemohim, we hope that the true value of Atomy bestseller Hemohim will spread throughout India. Finally, I would like to share with you one more news from Malaysia. It is good news that Atomy Malaysia has won 2 awards at Ep.58 2022. Atomy Malaysia won the Inspirational Award and Fast Enterprise Award at the 2022 APEA held in Kuala Lumpur, following the Southeast Asia Brand Award in 2021 last year.
Awarded to brands that are both inspired and inspiring. These transformational brands that seek to promote goodness, wellness, and sustainability. The second award is the Fast Enterprise Award, which is awarded to enterprises that have demonstrated rapid growth in terms of revenue, market share, user base, profit, and brand recognition. In the future, Atomy Malaysia will work hard and strive to get even more awards and accreditation aimed for customer success and confidence.
Atomy Malaysia, which has achieved outstanding results with significant sales growth despite the coronavirus pandemic that has shaken the global economy, is not only pursuing corporate profits through increased sales, but also continuously strives for community development, such as medical and educational support and donations. It has established itself as an exemplary company. Atomy, which is leading the direct sales market in Malaysia, is expected to take this award as an opportunity to establish itself as a more competitive company in the global market. Thinking ahead, this is Atomy's greatest competitiveness. Atomy never wavered even in a sudden pandemic situation. Rather, it has made new changes and innovations through online marketing that actively utilizes the changes of the times. Atomy's leading the global market by thinking one step ahead of others. Please look forward to it in the future. It's been a global insight so far. Thank you.